say he went back to 415. I don't see him, but that's probably where he went to.
Charlie 50 Central, do we have air one up?
Yes, air 1397.
They go in the store, everyone, or are they all outside?
Looked like they walked in the store. The last one I saw was wearing the red top, and they went to the east side, looped around, didn't see him. Think they're inside.
10-4. Stay down! Don't move. Don't move. One's running. One's running across the parking lot.
One running towards 415. Black male, gray shorts. Got one deputy on foot after him, running southbound, west side of the road.
I copy, running southbound.
Where'd the other one go? Where'd the other one go? There's three of you. Where'd the other one go?
Okay, crossed 415. He's now running eastbound through the fields. Still in the middle of the field, walking slow.
Anybody out with the car yet?
Hey, who's in that unmarked? Do we got an unmarked with a loud? Never mind. Brian, negative. Nobody's out with him yet. We do have a bystander trying to make contact right now. He's pushing him back towards the deputy. Delta 50 is in contact, 10-12.
Copy, Delta 50 in contact.
The other two outside the store still?
Brian never saw him leave. I stayed with the guy who Delta 50 was after.
Can we put two of them together? They're all juveniles.
Yeah, might as well.
All right. So you can try it, but it ain't gonna fly.